Hey, this is Metiers AI. And welcome back to my another mind-blowing video. The future is happening now. These 15 groundbreaking technologies are shaping the world as we know it. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing industries, automating tasks, driving smart decisions, and personalizing experiences. Meanwhile, quantum computing is unlocking new levels of processing power to tackle problems beyond classical computers. Lightning-fast connectivity with 5G is enabling smarter cities and IoT-powered ecosystems. And blockchain is making financial transactions more transparent, decentralized, and secure. Step into augmented and virtual reality, where gaming, healthcare, and education become more interactive than ever. And in medicine, biotechnology is driving breakthroughs in genetic engineering and personalized treatments. The future of transportation is here. Self-driving cars powered by AI are redefining mobility. Meanwhile, renewable energy innovations are paving the way for a sustainable planet. With billions of connected devices, Internet of Things is streamlining automation. But with connectivity comes risks. AI-driven cybersecurity protects us from evolving threats. Beyond Earth, space exploration is taking humanity to Mars and beyond. Smartwatches track our health in real time, while advanced robotics assist in manufacturing, surgery, and even daily life. Cities are evolving into smart ecosystems with AI-driven infrastructure. And the most mind-blowing tech? Brain-computer interfaces connecting minds directly to machines. Loudspeaker, a bright future, AI-powered assistance, space travel. The world is changing faster than ever thanks to these groundbreaking technologies. What excites you most? Drop your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more future-forward content.